Hi, my name is Leslie from Berry Birdy, and I'm here to show you how to make these adorable fabric stamps. So first you want to start off with some Steam-A-Seam, a double stick fusible web. You don't have to use this brand, but it's one of my favorites and you can find it on Amazon. Some cute little fabric prints that are perfect for stamps. A pair of pinking shears, a pair of sharp sewing scissors, and some white low volume fabric for the backing of the stamps. So first you want to start off with a sheet of the fusible web. Remove one of the sides, revealing the sticky side, and cut out your fabric to lay on top of the fusible web. You can see here I've prepared a couple of sheets and I try to fill as much of the space as possible. Then you take the paper that you removed, lay it on top, and use it for pressing. Then you're ready to cut out your fabric stamps. Using the sharp scissors, make sure you cut straight so that the stamps lay nice and layered together when they're put together for the background fabric. Then you need to prepare the background fabric, which is another piece of the fusible web, and I'm just filling up the sheet with the pieces that I have found. Then you just want to iron it, and then you're ready to put on the stamps. So remove the backing and lay them on the background fabric. So they're approximately 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch apart. Press them, and then you have space around the edges for cutting. When you're ready to cut them apart, just make sure you leave a small border around the stamps and cutting as straight as possible. I like to store my fabric stamps in a little tin. That way they stay nice and flat until I'm ready to use them. I do also use this pouch as well, which is nice and handy. Just make sure that you keep the backing on the stamp until you're ready to use it so that it remains sticky. Here are some of the projects that I've made. A little storage case, a couple of micro mini quilts, and this cute fabric envelope. Let me know in the comments what you use your fabric stamps for, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to check out my other videos.